We have been waiting long, so I'm not going to spend any amount of time too much at all, because we came here to hear pan, sweet pan. So, without further ado, I want to turn things over to the arranger, Mr. Richard Gittins.
All right.
AKA Alvin. Over to you.
You introduce the judges.
Hello.
Good night. My name is Hollis Alexander. I'm the president of the NGC Brea Nightingales Steel Orchestra. This steel orchestra has been in existence for the past 44 years. We have been in the panorama in the very earlys, and then we had a long hiatus, and then we resumed in the panorama in the mid-80s. We moved through from small to medium. While in medium category, we would have made it to the semi-finals of the panorama on about 3 occasions. And then we moved into the large band category. In 2014, we moved into the large band category in 2012. In 2014, we made it to the finals of the large band. And we placed 10th that year in the finals of the large band of panorama. Our band this year has chosen the tune Inside the Festival, as sung by Ultimate Rejects. This tune was chosen by a democratic decision where the tuner would have brought a couple tunes for the band, and the players were not feeling it, and they came up with the suggestion of this tune, so that it was by decision of the players, all right, the selection was chosen. We are very happy with the work done by the arranger, and we're very happy with the eventual choice that has been made. So this is it in a nutshell for this year.
What would you consider to be a most memorable day in the life of the band?
The most memorable day in the life of the band was 2014, when we heard the announcement at the semi-finals and that we had qualified for the finals. I mean, that was a momentous occasion, because we were in the large band category for 2 years, and after, in the 3rd year, we would have qualified for the finals there with all the big guns, and we made a very good representation of ourselves.
Are all your players homebred?
The majority. We have some players from Point Fortin, and we have some players who were originally with us and have moved on and living elsewhere, but they come back every year and play for us. Yes. But we have a couple of players from outside who support the band. Yes.
How many arrangers have you had over the period of time?
We would have started off with Tyrell Marcel. We had, for some years, we had Tyrell Marcel. Then we moved to his younger brother, Terence B.J. Marcel. Terence moved on to Exodus in the large band category, and last year we went back with Tyrell Marcel. This year we have gone with Mr. Richard Gittins, and we are very pleased with the work he has done thus far. Very, very pleased with his work. His work ethic, his disciplinary standards and so on. We're very happy with it. Yeah.
How do you see yourself in the next 5-10 years?
We see ourselves being a very well-known household name in the panorama circles, in the steel band circles, not just panorama, because our band has a stage side that is involved in playouts all through the year. We are active all year, and we play in several different shows and things in the community, because we do a lot of charity work, as well as we are called to do gigs all over. So I see us as becoming a real household name. People, after this year, people will stand up and take real notice of NGC Brea Nightingales, because we believe this arrangement that we have here is a winning arrangement. We believe we're well inside in this panorama. Yes, that's the confidence that we are operating with.
So you're keeping your fingers crossed?
My fingers crossed, my hands crossed, but everything. My heart crossed. Yes, okay. Yes. Yes, yes, semi-finals. Yeah, God's willing.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, yes. Festival. But I want to make one apology, and it was not intentional. I was not aware that our beloved Member of Parliament for Brea, Nicole Oliveri, was with us. And I want to invite you to Thank you. So, what do you think about the performance? What do you think about the performance? So, get ready. The results will be announced tomorrow. There is the opening of the envelopes at City Hall tomorrow. And listen to the news for when our name is called in that top 14.